Do you ever feel overwhelmed? Do you find yourself constantly battling a never-ending stream of tasks and decisions? Do you feel like your to-do list never ends? Like no matter how much you accomplish, there's always more waiting for you? The modern world bombards us with choices. Every day we are faced with countless decisions, big and small, that demand our attention. From the moment we wake up, we are faced with a constant stream of decisions. Should we check our emails first or get out of bed? Should we start our day with a workout or a cup of coffee, or just what to wear, what to eat, what to read, and even what to think about? These seemingly small choices can add up, creating a significant mental load. What to prioritize? The list goes on. Each decision, no matter how trivial, requires mental energy and focus. This constant decision-making can be exhausting. It can drain our energy and leave us feeling mentally fatigued. It can lead to stress, anxiety, and a feeling of being overwhelmed. The pressure to make the right choices can be paralyzing, but what if there was a better way? What if we could find a method to navigate through our daily decisions with more ease and confidence, a way to navigate life with more ease and grace? Imagine starting your day with a clear mind, knowing exactly what to focus on without feeling overwhelmed. The path of least resistance offers a solution. This principle, inspired by nature, teaches us to flow around obstacles rather than fight against them. This principle, inspired by nature, encourages us to simplify our lives by making choices that align with our natural flow. By doing so, we can conserve our energy and reduce unnecessary stress. In this essay, we'll explore practical strategies to apply this concept to your daily routine, reduce stress, and enhance your focus. We'll look at ways to declutter your mind, prioritize effectively, and create a more harmonious life. By adopting these strategies, you can transform your daily experience, making it more manageable and fulfilling. Join us as we delve into the art of making life simpler and more enjoyable. Observe water. Notice how it moves. It moves effortlessly, always seeking the easiest path, flowing with grace and ease. It doesn't fight against obstacles, but flows around them, adapting to the contours of its environment. This is the essence of the path of least resistance, a principle that can guide us in our daily lives. In our lives, this translates to making choices that feel natural, aligned with our values, and require less effort. It's about finding the flow in our decisions. This doesn't mean avoiding challenges altogether. Challenges are a part of life and growth. It means approaching them with a sense of ease and flexibility, like water navigating a winding riverbed. The water doesn't resist, it adapts and continues its journey. Think about a time you felt truly in the zone, where everything seemed to come naturally. Perhaps you were engrossed in a creative project, painting, writing, or crafting something with your hands. Or maybe you were lost in a captivating book, turning pages effortlessly as the story unfolded, or having a meaningful conversation with a friend where words flowed easily and connection felt natural. This state of effortless focus and enjoyment is often referred to as flow. It's a state where time seems to stand still and we are fully present in the moment. When we align our actions with the path of least resistance, we create more opportunities for these flow states to arise naturally. We find ourselves more often in that sweet spot where effort meets ease. Embracing nature's wisdom means learning to flow with life, to adapt and move with grace. Just as water finds its way, we too can navigate our lives with a sense of ease and purpose. Take a moment to reflect on how you can incorporate this principle into your daily routine. How can you make choices that align with your natural flow? By doing so, you may find greater peace, joy, and fulfillment in your everyday experiences. Embrace the wisdom of nature and let it guide you towards a life of effortless flow. One of the most effective ways to simplify your life is to reduce the number of decisions you need to make each day. Start with your physical environment. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind. Go through your belongings and let go of anything that doesn't spark joy, as I like to say. This includes clothes you don't wear, books you've already read, and items that no longer serve you. Decluttering your physical space can have a profound impact on your mental clarity. It frees up space for what truly matters. Not all tasks are created equal. In our busy lives, it's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of activities, but not everything we do has the same level of importance or impact. The Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, suggests that 80% of our results come from just 20% of our efforts. This means that a small fraction of what we do is responsible for the majority of our success. This principle can be a powerful tool for simplifying your life. Imagine a river flowing smoothly around rocks. It finds the path of least resistance. Similarly, by focusing on the most impactful tasks, you can navigate your day more efficiently. Identify the 20% of your tasks that are truly essential and prioritize them. This requires a clear understanding of your goals and the ability to distinguish between what is urgent and what is important. Delegate, automate, or eliminate the rest. Delegation allows you to leverage the strengths of others. Automation can handle repetitive tasks, and elimination removes the unnecessary clutter from your schedule. By focusing on the vital few, you can achieve more with less stress. A productive work environment isn't about doing more, it's about doing what truly matters. For example, if you're feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list, take a moment to identify the 3 most important tasks. These are the tasks that align most closely with your goals and will have the biggest impact on your day. These are the tasks that will have the biggest impact on your day. Highlight them, make them your priority, and tackle them first. Focus on completing those first and don't sweat the smaller stuff. By doing so, you'll find that you can accomplish more with less effort, and your sense of accomplishment will grow. Remember, it's not about doing everything, it's about doing the right things. Section 5. Creating calm, the power of automation and routine. Routines are powerful tools for simplifying your life. They eliminate unnecessary decisions and free up mental energy for more important things. Consider creating routines for your mornings, evenings, and workdays. This could include things like meal prepping, laying out your clothes the night before, or establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Automation can also be a lifesaver. Set up automatic bill payments, use online grocery delivery services, and schedule social media posts in advance. By automating repetitive tasks, you'll free up time and mental bandwidth. Section 6. Taming the digital beast, streamlining your online world. Our digital lives can be just as cluttered as our physical spaces. Take some time to declutter your inbox, unsubscribe from newsletters you don't read, and organize your computer files. Limit your time on social media. Set aside specific times to check your accounts, and avoid mindlessly scrolling throughout the day. Consider using website blockers or app limits to help you stay focused. Section 7. Boundaries, the art of saying no. Saying no is a powerful act of self-care. It allows you to protect your time and energy for what truly matters. Learn to decline requests that don't align with your priorities or bring you joy. It's okay to say no to social events, extra work projects, or even requests from family and friends. When you say no to something, you're saying yes to yourself and your well-being. Section 8. Finding your flow real-world applications. The path of least resistance can be applied to all areas of life. In relationships, it encourages open communication and compromise. In work, it means finding ways to work smarter, not harder. For example, an entrepreneur might streamline their business operations by outsourcing tasks, automating processes, and focusing on their core strengths. A student might simplify their study schedule by breaking down large assignments into smaller chunks, eliminating distractions, and using effective study techniques. Section 9. The ripple effect benefits beyond simplicity. Embracing the path of least resistance offers numerous benefits. By simplifying your life, you'll experience reduced stress, increased focus, and a greater sense of calm. You'll have more time and energy for the things you love. Imagine a rock in a stream. When the water flows around the rock, it creates a sense of peace and tranquility. When we resist the natural flow of life, we create unnecessary turbulence and stress. By embracing the path of least resistance, we allow ourselves to move through life with more ease and grace. Section 10. Embracing the journey, a continuous pursuit. Simplifying your life is not a one-time event, but an ongoing journey. It requires constant awareness, reflection, and a willingness to let go of what no longer serves you. As your life evolves, so too will your definition of simplicity. Be patient with yourself. It takes time to develop new habits and let go of old patterns. Celebrate your progress along the way, and don't be afraid to ask for support when you need it. Section 11. Conclusion, your invitation to flow. The path of least resistance is not about avoiding challenges or becoming passive. It's about approaching life with a sense of ease, flexibility, and intentionality. It's about making choices that align with your values and support your well-being. Start by incorporating one or two of the strategies outlined in this essay into your daily life. As you begin to experience the benefits of a simpler, more intentional life, you'll be inspired to continue on this journey. Remember, life is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the flow